How to find the mode of grouped data. Example of grouped data. In this example there are 7 classes and number of sample size is 60. The frequency is given in front of each classes. Finding mode. In order to find mode, you must know the formula of mode for grouped data in which you will need L, which is lower boundary of the modal class, Fm, which is frequency of the modal class, F1, which is frequency associated with class preceding to the modal class, F2, which is frequency associated with class following to the modal class, and H, which is width of class interval. After putting all required values in mode formula, we get mode value, which is 114.50. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.